Now we're going to take a look at this outlet up here. Highly questionable, because when you look down here at the base of the wall, let me move you guys in for. When you look down here, you can see he did some kind of patchwork, and I'm concerned that he left a junction box behind that, which is a no-no. So I will trace down the line using a tool I have. Using this tool right here, I can take and plug this in here, and then we can go to the laundry room, turn this guy on, go to the breaker panel, and it should be that one right there. So even though I flipped the breaker and I saw that other tester go off, I always check again with one of these tools, and I'll put a link in the description, but it's just a voltage tester to make sure there's no power before I stick a screwdriver around it. Not worth dying over. So here we are under the house. I'm trying to find that outlet that I need to disconnect so I can get the power back on in the living room, and I came across this. This is a definite no-no. So this will have to get fixed. It should be placed in a junction box and secured properly. That will be a project for another day. Okay, I found the junction box so that I can disconnect this wire right here. And you can see it's not beeping. That one's not beeping. And that one's not beeping. So there's no power in this box. So I can disconnect all this, pull this wire out, and then hook this wire and this wire back up. And then at a later date, come back and fix this, because that's how he put it together, which is highly questionable. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so we still have the breaker off, but I went ahead and capped this, and I capped that, pulled the short wire out so that it'll be safer. But the breaker's off, but I believe I've gotten that outlet disconnected. We're going to go up top and see. So I found the cable, and we got it turned off, got the cable pulled, and got the power back on in this room. What we discovered was it was not coming off the living room like you would expect it to be, because this is the living room. You'd expect the outlet to be tied into the ones next to it. In fact, he ran the power over to this wall, which these outlets are actually tied in with Jessica's craft room. So right now there's no power in there until I properly connect that in a gang box. That's the future project.